Could you try to do it yourself? Sarah, that wasn't very nice. You don't want to put the baby to sleep? No?
Yeah.
Okay, good night. Good night, baby.
Good night, baby.
You don't want to go put her to sleep?
I'm going to sleep. Time na na na.
So yeah.
So do it.
Na 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 na.
You're gonna read her. Why don't you read her Tiger Cubs first?
Okay.
Yeah, read her the Tiger Cubs book.
Hi, baby. Okay. Okay.
Are you getting parts of me that you shouldn't? Okay.
I want to help right now.
What, honey?
Pill. Oh no. I make a pill. I make a pill. Someday I make a pill.
Sophie's not here.
It's probably Sorry, knock this. Yeah, silly. Yeah, silly, Mommy.
You're silly, Sarah.
I see big. Na, 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 na.
You want to read Tiger Cubs to your baby?
Yeah.
Tiger Cubs is on the table. Read it before your baby goes to sleepy.
Okay. One tiny cup in the mother now.
You tap them with your baby. What are you doing, Sarah?
I'm giving a book.
Oh, okay.
This is war. War. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Is your baby going to Slippy?
Yeah.
Oh. Good night, baby.
The baby woke up in the morning.
Oh, the baby woke up? Morning, baby.
Good morning, baby.
What do we do when we wake up?
Go, Elma. Elma. Yes. Elma.
What are you looking for? Oh, good idea.
Good idea, Mommy. Yeah. Cheese.
Cheese.
Marching.
You're marching?
Can go sleep.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Okay.
I my blanket.
You want to go have your blanket and go to sleep?
Yeah.
Should we have bath or shower?
I like it now.
Okay.
On my blanket.
Well, we have our blanket in our crib.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Change my diaper.
Okay, we'll have to go upstairs after our shower. Put on a new diaper. Okay?
First you take off the old diaper, and then you have a shower. And then you put on a new diaper.
Well,
Right?
that's not the way I do it.
What's in your diaper, Sarah?
For pupils.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it stinky?
Yeah. You're silly, Mom. You're silly, but. You're silly, but.